Welcome to Napoleon Hill 2.0. My dear friend, today you are about to discover how to train your mind to attract unlimited wealth. This is not just about money, it's about a complete transformation of your thinking, your beliefs, and your subconscious mind. Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, spent more than 20 years studying the most successful people in the world. Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Andrew Carnegie, and many others. From his research, he revealed a simple but powerful truth. Wealth begins in the mind before it appears in reality. So, if you want unlimited wealth, you must first train your mind to think like a wealthy person. In this video, I'm going to share with you Napoleon Hill's timeless wisdom, broken down into powerful steps and principles that can reprogram your subconscious mind to attract prosperity and success. First, let's begin with the power of desire. Napoleon Hill said, "The starting point of all achievement is desire." Wealth does not come to those who casually wish for it. It comes to those who are burning with desire for it. You must create a crystal clear picture of what kind of wealth you want, how much you want, and why you want it. Write it down. Read it every day. Speak it aloud. This is how you ignite your subconscious mind. Second, you must use the tool of autosuggestion. Your subconscious mind accepts what you repeat to it. If you constantly tell yourself, "I am broke, I can't afford this, money is hard to get," then your subconscious mind believes it and creates that reality. But if you affirm daily, "I am wealthy, I am prosperous, money flows easily to me, I attract abundance effortlessly," your subconscious mind begins to align your actions and your opportunities with those affirmations. Third, surround yourself with faith and belief. Napoleon Hill emphasized that faith is the strongest emotion. When you combine faith with affirmations, you give them life. Imagine already having the wealth you desire. Feel it. Live it in your mind. Your subconscious cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. It begins to act as if your wealth is already on its way. Now let's go deeper. How do you train your mind? You must master these habits. 1. Visualization. Every morning and every night, close your eyes and see yourself already living in abundance. See the home, the freedom, the lifestyle. Let your mind taste the reality before it exists. 2. Positive environment. Surround yourself with people who believe in success. Negative people poison your subconscious mind. Positive people feed it. 3. Gratitude. Wealth flows to those who are grateful for what they already have. Gratitude opens the mind to more abundance. Say thank you daily for every blessing you already enjoy. 4. Definiteness of purpose. Have a clear purpose, a major goal. Napoleon Hill discovered that all wealthy people have one clear mission. They know exactly what they want, and they never quit until they achieve it. 5. Persistence. Wealthy people never stop. Even when they fail, they rise again. Train your mind to see failure as a lesson, not as defeat. Now let's talk about the subconscious mind and wealth attraction. Your subconscious mind works 24/7 even when you are asleep. It receives instructions from your conscious thoughts. If you fill your conscious mind with fear, doubt, and negativity, your subconscious will block opportunities. But if you feed it confidence, faith, and affirmations, it will attract wealth-creating ideas, connections, and circumstances into your life. Napoleon Hill also taught about the mastermind principle. Wealth is rarely created alone. When you join forces with like-minded people, your mind multiplies in power. Discuss your goals with people who are ambitious, who inspire you, and who hold you accountable. Another secret is to develop self-discipline. Train your mind to control your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. Wealth is attracted to order, not chaos. When you are disciplined with your time, your habits, and your focus, your mind becomes a magnet for success. So here is a step-by-step formula you can start using today. Step 1. Write down your wealth goal in exact numbers. Step 2. Create a clear plan, even if it's small, and start immediately. Step 3. Repeat affirmations daily. I am wealthy. I am abundant. Money flows easily to me. Step 4. Visualize your wealth every night before sleep. Step 5. Be grateful for every form of wealth you already have: your health, your family, your skills. Step 6. Surround yourself with a mastermind group or positive influences. Step 7. Never give up. Persist until your wealth manifests. My dear friend, wealth is not luck. It is a mindset. When you train your mind with the principles Napoleon Hill taught, you create a magnetic force that pulls opportunities, people, and resources toward you. Your subconscious mind is the most powerful tool you will ever own. So I challenge you, don't just watch this video. Take action. Write your wealth affirmations today. Repeat them daily. Visualize your success. Build persistence. And soon, you will realize that unlimited wealth is not just possible, it is inevitable. Thank you for watching Napoleon Hill 2.0. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me ask you a powerful question to leave in the comments below. What is the exact amount of wealth you desire? And what will you do with it once you achieve it?